Alright, so we just finished this unit today. Just got back from a nice wet river test. This is our 23 Speedster model, sitting on a brand new aluminum trailer. A really nice ultra deck package on it. Nearly mimicked the vinyl design on it perfectly. It turned out so good. This boat's fairly basic. We did put a Garmin 743 in it with live engine data, as well as a Switch Pro controller. We also have some awesome gator skin seats in here, our logo on it. This does have a 2022 Sea-Doo 300 horsepower supercharged engine in it, 5 hours. And it does have the color display, which is really nice. It's got built-in maps, Bluetooth, controller, all that good stuff if you did want to add an audio package to this at a later date. But it is pouring down rain out here, so I just want to give you guys a quick view. We'll be posting a bunch of pictures on Instagram, Facebook later today. Shipping is available on this boat. Why wait until spring when you could have it right now? Give us a call, 541-609-3131, or check out our website, www.torchcraftmarine.com. Hit us up on the contact page. Thanks for watching.